Jackpot Blue Blast. Well, the perceived progression is there. $100 in, 119 in. Let's do 2 50 spins. See if we can actually hit a bonus. This is the 3rd time playing this game. Really haven't hit a bonus. I've hit some decent line hits. Free spin. Come on, bonus pop. Nope. $1.50. Let's do some fast spins. Keeps firing, huh? Oh, I did it.
Oh, fingers in your ears. It's the Ultra Blast bonus.
Okay. Wow, what is this? Touch stop to award prize. Oh, oops. There, let me. There we go. Oh, let's do it again. Okay.
Pass 3.
That works.
Pass 3.
You can times through that, you dude.
Pass 2.
Okay, I'll take that. +2 plays.
+2 plays.
Let's do it again. Ah.
Pass 2. Pass 3.
Keep going. Worth it. I agree. Yeehaw. Thanks for that. Ah, 188 bucks. I guess I won 143. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.